What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here behind me I have an interesting build here, something we don't do that often, but we got it done now. It's been a long time coming. Very good customer of mine. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of it, let you guys see what we did and all the details with it. Very cool car. You don't see too many of these anymore. It's a 1996 C4 Corvette, and let me show you guys what we got under the hood. Here it is. It's actually an LS3 swap we did. This car came to us. It had a 383 LT engine in it. The car was running really bad. He was fed up with it, spent a bunch of money with the old motor and decided he wanted to do an LS swap. So here we have a LS3 engine. We did our cam package on it. It's a red hot camshaft. We put a Circle D converter with a built 4L60, custom long tube headers there, stock LS3 intake, War throttle body, custom intake there, some brackets from Petrie Enterprise. He's a company that helped us out with this build. We had a lot of issues with other companies with parts and everything. So the car is on a Holley Terminator system. Everything, it's got AC. Very nicely done swap. It took a long time. We've had a lot of issues, like I said, but here it is, guys. The car's done, getting ready to give it back to the customer. Yeah, so it's all stock. It does have 373 gears in the rear. Car came like that when he dropped it off. He had this wing put on there and all that stuff, so we got it going. The car rips. I think he's gonna be very happy with it. It almost looks like it belongs there. Like I said, the swap almost looks like it belongs in there. And yeah, let you guys see some more stuff of this car coming. He's just gonna enjoy it, take it to car shows and all that. So it is. That's it with the C4 LS3 swap Corvette. Stay tuned for more content. I will be posting up some videos we've been doing throughout the year, this holiday season before the first, the Instagram and Facebook. I will be posting more pictures and videos on there. And till then, we've got some new announcements to make first of the year. And I'll see you guys in the next video.